The vision for this amazing playground project started when we did a community assessment of what was the community looking for, what were we missing. Number one thing across the board was a playground.
This was one of our most ambitious projects. We really had to take the architects and the customer's vision and bring that to life in a very fast pace. We were developing it from a production standpoint while we were designing it.
We start to think how to, create this wonderful structure, and then we start the process of how we can solve all these details.
How many rings can we actually afford to have? What's happening in the sphere? What's the size of the sphere? So there's a lot of the details that you can't just figure it out on our own.
On the site of this project was actually a space-age themed playground that was dedicated in 1963. So we said, hey, let's replace that playground with a new modern version of the original theme.
The unique vision from the architects were to have a super large rocket for the big kids, and they would blast off in that, then make their way through the constellation, the stars, that's this constellation walk, and that brings us to the large Saturn Sphere behind me, which is all about movement. We have not only dynamic pieces that are moving and spinning, actually physically spinning around the sphere, but we're also having the kids sliding in a spiral down the Saturn, and they're also walking around Saturn's rings.
When I'm designing it, I'm always thinking like how they will play on it.
We had to use a different technique than what we were using usually. The core mesh is the kind of special technology that we are able to feel really complex surfaces and the complex forms, and that's how we could achieve this nice shape of net. The shading in here is not just providing a shading, but also it's a part of the design which is underlining the spin of the Saturn.
The quality of what you see and the play value of what you see in a KOMPAN playground is nothing like you see in anything else.
KOMPAN has been a great partner in this project. We are proud, we're excited. We look forward to many more projects so that these projects that are unique, beautiful, are here in our community and communities in plural.
On our side, on the recreation side, we just have the vision and what's needed, but we don't know the details, and KOMPAN was an ideal partner bringing that part of the vision together.